International, we are growing today. We scale the blueprint with a calculated gaze. The ascent is tactical, the foundation set. The blueprint of progress is etched in the frame, rising as a unified force in the game. The long-term impact is defined by the team. Volten and National, we are growing today. Impact is made, legacy is set. JC Empire, building leaders, creating legacy.